I want to start by asking you a question. Can you imagine what sort of food systems we're going to have globally? Especially at this time when we're having a lot of changes in agricultural biodiversity, when the world is losing quite a number of crop species. My name is Chimwemwe Soko. I'm coming from Malawi. I am a Queen Elizabeth Scholar with Mzuzu University. Do you know that we used to have quite a lot of crop species that we've been dependent upon in terms of our calorie provision? At the moment, do you know that 60% of our calorie needs are basically derived from maize, rice, wheat, and potatoes? Now, can you also imagine what sort of livelihoods will be built in the developing countries, Malawi inclusive, especially now that we're having a lot of uncertainties in the climate? Through this scholarship, I've got passion to actually understand how the changes in agricultural biodiversity, especially now in the uncertainties of the climate, impacts the livelihoods of the people, especially in the developing world. I'll tell you this, when food systems have collapsed, then it creates a lot of problems, even conflicts, because basically food is central to our general well-being. There are a lot of issues to do with environment. They cannot be just addressed from one angle. That's why we need to view it as a holistic approach. Do you know that agricultural intensification, it is good, yes, but if we're not going to be very, very careful, and if we're going to negate, we're going to lose quite a lot of agricultural biodiversity. That is also fundamental in coming up with new varieties, new breeds. By the way, do you know that the erosion of this agricultural biodiversity has also brought in another challenge, erosion of indigenous traditional knowledge. That has been quite key in terms of shaping our agriculture. So lastly, I would like to urge everybody to think globally. Let's think environmentally, let's think sustainably, let's think transformational.